Hello traders, so happy to see you again. I'm here with another lesson from our series where I simply teach you how I trade and I give you some information about trading in general. In the last video we talked about the market structure and I posted that now it's nice to talk about break of structure, and after that in the future I will talk about the change of character, and maybe today I will cover the swing points as well. Welcome to the official channel of the Growth Funded Trader. If you want to see more information about us and if you want to try our challenges, please go on in the description box on our official website, where you will also observe that we added a no time limit challenge. You requested it a lot, so it's here for you. Also, if you want to join our community, don't forget to accept the Discord invite that you can find in the description box as well. So jumping directly into the topic, first of all, this is a PDF that I created like 1 year ago and it's full of precious information, so I want to share it with you as well. First of all, you have to know the fact that there are 3 types of break of structure: minor break of structure, and sub break of structure. You are going to use all of these 3 in your analysis. These are perfect for you when you identify the market structure, like you just blend break of structure, change of character, and swing points in order to identify the market structure. So the most important one, because it's in the order of the importance, is the break of structure. Usually I don't give a lot of attention for the minor break of structure and sub break of structure, and you will see why. But when I say that I don't give attention to them, I don't literally mark them on charts, but I already have them inside my head. Like I can visualize them, but I simply do not note them. I like to keep my chart clear and to note other stuff which is more important for my analysis. So a break of structure is happening between swing points from a leg to the other leg. And I'm gonna explain to you on charts as well. Let me see what chart I offered there. It's simply a sketch, a drawing that I made. So usually the swing points are the lowest and the highest points on charts before a break of structure happening. So as you can see right now, we had this bearish leg over here and the bullish leg over here. The break of structure happened when the price came above this swing high over here. This is called a protected low because this is the one that caused the upside break of structure. This is a weak high because it was taken by the break of structure. So this is how I see it, from this bearish leg to this bullish leg, and I'm coming with real examples in the future. Just continue watching the video. Then a minor break of structure is happening inside the break of structure and the swing points from one leg to the other leg. This shows us the intention of the market to make a break of structure. So it's not literally a break of structure, but it shows you that the market intends to make one in the future, that the price will actually go for what you're expecting. It's not a change of character, it's not a break of structure, it's a minor break of structure in between. So let me just show you the chart as well. So as you can see, in this image, it looks like a change of character, but please imagine the fact that here there are more bearish and bullish candles. This is the minor break of structure. It happens from this bearish leg to this bullish leg, but it doesn't happen between swing points, because if it did happen between swing points, it will be called a break of structure. But it's not the real move. It's not what we're looking for. But when we see this happening over here, and let's say that the price stops over here, we only see this side, this area. We know for sure that in the future, we might see a real break of structure. This is what the minor break of structure predicts. Alright, a sub break of structure doesn't really break anything. It just shows the continuation of the trend and it's situated in the same leg. So let me show you that as well. Where did I put it? Okay, over here. You see the break of structure between swing points. This is the minor break of structure between these legs, the bearish and bullish leg, and the sub break of structure, which is happening inside this bullish leg, just shows us the continuation of the movement. For example, when we have a change of character and we see also sub break of structure as well, some people consider this a confirmation for a buy in this example. Let's say that we had a change of character over here, and after that immediately, let's say on 15 minutes, a sub break of structure. Then some people search for a buy. So this is what it's useful for. Also, it's useful when you're looking for change of characters, but this is another lesson that I'm going to talk about. So for now, just remember this structure. You're looking for a break of structures, usually on higher time frames. This is what I'm looking for. I'm not looking for break of structures on the same time frame that I take my entry. I'm usually taking my entries on 5 minutes, 1 minute, 15 minutes. It depends on my mood. So I don't look for a break of structure on these specific time frames. I look for it on 1 hour, 4 hours, and so on. I look for some break of structure on lower time frames, like 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 1 minute when I take my entry. And the minor break of structure, usually I don't really take it into consideration, but it's good to know that it's there. It just predicts the break of structure movement. In the same time, I want to talk about swing points. Swing high and swing low are the highest and lowest points that happen before a real break of structure. I told you this. They are very important, and you will understand why in the future lessons. Also, we're not talking about FXA right now. FXA is my previous mentorship, but I'm not doing mentorships anymore. I fully partnered with God-funded traders, so I teach you for free everything. I personally consider a break of structure happening from week to body or body to body. It's invalid for me if I see a week to week or body to week, and I will show you on charts exactly how it is. Okay, so this is a good example on charts, on EURUSD, on the daily chart, protected low, week high, the daily break of structure between the swing low and swing high, the sub-break of structure inside this bullish leg, and the minor break of structure between the bearish leg and the bullish leg. It's exactly like the scheme that I presented you in the past. And remember that the minor break of structure is not the same thing as the change of character, because the change of character happened over here, right? So the minor break of structure is not a break of structure, but neither a change of character. Something in between, but it happens between a leg of a kind with another leg of another kind. And also what I said about the rules for the break of structure from week to body, right? So this daily break of structure happened from this week to this body. It doesn't happen, for example, if we see a week here that ends into a week as well. If we see a week to the right, personally, I wait for a body closure. If I don't see the body closure, I don't consider this a daily break of structure. I consider only a manipulation, for example, and I'm waiting for a pullback. So I think that this lesson was short but on point. I want you to go on charts right now and to identify the break of structure and to see exactly if you can understand how the price moves on chart. I hope that this video was helpful. In the end, I want to mention the fact that you should definitely go on our website to check more information about the God-funded trader. We have a lot of interesting rules. We are looking for a win-win situation. We want good traders to join us and to form a beautiful team. We want to make profits together. The most of the profits go for you. We have up to 95% profit split, and you can find out more information about us and more qualities of this pro firm inside the website and also inside our community. So we are waiting for you there, and also see you next time.